Welcome back, Garden Family. This is important when you have excess, like when you have extra apples, extra oranges, extra lemons. When I say extra, I mean you have no place to store these items in your refrigerator and such. We just dehydrate. So we have some extra apples and we just dehydrate anything extra that we have. Now, we did have some oranges that I harvested from an orange tree the other day. Diva Jones says there is a video coming up, just so you know. And we harvested a bunch of oranges off of this tree and made some orange juice. Just squeezed some orange juice, added it to the sorrel that we had. Oh my God, the sorrel is so good. If you don't know about hibiscus sorrel or just sorrel or hibiscus, then you need to go back, do some research, grow your hibiscus and make you some sorrel. Yeah, you gotta grow yourself some sorrel. It is so delicious, and I use that sweetened when I make my tea, my cold tea, and then when I make my moss, I just use unsweetened sorrel. So I kind of make it in bulk and store it real nicely, and keep it on hand. Especially in the winter. I mean, I can't really even say. I know in Barbados it's a wintertime drink, but for me, it's a year-round drink. I'm sorry, I can't really put a season on that particular. Oh, excuse me, on that particular drink. But anyways, yes, dehydrate when you have extras, and remember to always do your best. Be blessed, and grow something. Hydrate some apples. Dehydrate some apples.